Okay, so it's been like 2 weeks since the last minute video, and I guess it's not that big of a deal because I'm not that consistent on the channel anyway, but this time I actually had a legitimately good reason as to why I haven't been making any videos. I lost all my data. I mean, everything. 42 terabytes of all my data. And instead of boring you guys with the details and the story about the situation and how I lost all my data and how FreeNAS actually failed me, or maybe it was a ZFS share, I don't know, who knows. Instead, what I want to do is just really quickly show you guys my new server that I decided to build, and it's right over here. So originally I kind of had that server just sitting around with hard drives spread across the floor. I'm actually using 10 terabyte Seagate Iron Wolf hard drives. But recently I decided to actually build this guy right here. I know the cable management is absolutely messy, so don't destroy me in the comment section for that one. But this is my new server, and this time around it's actually running SYNOLOGY, which is DSM based, the same stuff that Synology actually puts inside of their systems. And I'm kind of laughing right now because I didn't think about this, but I know people are going to wreck me in the comment section about my cable management. But anyway, yeah, so this is my server. It's just an old Asus Z70E motherboard. I've got an i7 7700K processor in there, 8 gigabytes of Corsair Ballistics memory. I've got 10 gigabit Ethernet card in here, so we're getting some lightning fast speeds. And I've actually set it up with this like super cheapo, I got this on Amazon for like 15 bucks, so it's like a cheapo SATA extender. And that's because this one actually does have actual SATA arrays. Before, I didn't have my drives in a proper array, and that's probably why they ended up failing and why I lost all my data. This time around, when I got them made, I got it in a proper kind of storage case situation going on here. I've even got an SSD cache running over here, and that actually gives me some pretty lightning fast speeds on this particular server. Okay, so now I'm back at the computer, and my NAS server is now running SYNOLOGY, which is technically sort of like a hacked version of Synology's operating system called DSM. So it is running DSM. It requires a special bootloader. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do a tutorial on the bare metal installation, because it is an absolutely fantastic operating system if you're running your own kind of homebrew NAS. I've got really cool things in here like a Plex server. I've got like Docker stuff running, Apache stuff running. And it's really awesome because I got it all running on the i7 7700K, so it's a super fast system, and super happy with it. Okay, so this time around for my storage, I'm still sticking with the 10 terabyte Seagate hard drives. They're just really fast, 7200 RPMs, but this time around I put 9 of them in my system. So here, show you guys real quick. So you can probably see I've got 61 terabytes of data right now. And like I said, I lost a bunch of data from my server before, and luckily enough I had like an rsync job set up running, going up to Amazon's S3 Glacier stuff, which is awesome stuff. It's really cheap storage. You check it out. I'll leave links to it down in the video description below if you're into that kind of thing. Okay, so another really cool thing I ended up doing with this system is actually I did end up installing a 10 gigabit Ethernet card into that system. Now I don't have a 10 gigabit switch, so obviously I'm not going to get those network speeds if I plug directly into my switch. So I'm using a single one-to-one Ethernet cable connecting between both of the system and the server, and I just dialed in a manual IP address. That way all the like data traffic that I specifically want to send over, I just use that IP address, and everything seems to be working fine. And I've got multiple cards in there, so I've got one in that system as well that's going for internet, and the other one is just doing this data transfer here. But I want to show you guys the combination of the SSD cache combined with the 10 gigabit Ethernet makes this thing super lightning fast. I'm going to show you a real-time data transfer right now. All right, so real quick, I just wanted to do a live demo to show you guys how powerful it is to have a SSD cache paired up with a 10 gigabit card in a system like Synology system. Damn it, it was just going super fast. Oh, there it goes again. Okay, cool. So as you can see here, this is my resource monitor, and this is my speeds. It generally runs a lot faster based on the actual caching that it's doing, but it sticks around 500 megabytes per second. So it's able to go super duper fast up to this RAID 6 RAID array that I have here, and it's just copying the old and boring video up to my network storage right over here. Okay, I'm going to end this video right here. Hopefully it's better than that long and boring, sleepy version of the whole thing. But if you guys are interested in seeing that, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll post it. It's like 15 minutes, and I talk about FreeNAS and different RAID arrays and a bunch of different kind of crap like that. But yeah, that's it. Also, if you guys want to see a tutorial on SYNOLOGY or how to install it, how to set it up. Also, let me know down in the comment section below. I will post that to the channel as well. I got some really cool stuff like my new Hackintosh system that I'm building, also building the ultimate streaming rig, and I got some really cool just like making a new gaming PC for like cheap Chinese parts. That's some really cool stuff coming up, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel below to make sure you don't miss out on that. Once again, my name is Fran. Thanks for checking out this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.